Hi guys, Shannon from SB88, just to show you and myself for the future where to find a reverse light feed on a Golf Mark 5. So it's a blue black wire. I tapped it but I can really see the voltage, so I pulled this panel out just to confirm, but yeah, it's 100% this blue black wire. Let me do the test to show you. So I've got my negative probe into the back of the rear light, it's making a good contact there. If I push this one into there, so you got no volts there. Can't wait to get an apprentice to save me doing all this walking to the front. Select reverse and coming back. Reverse 12 11.52 into neutral. Yeah. Also on the Golf, if the tailgate catch is open, you don't get any light, so it's open now. Put it into reverse. So I guess there's nothing there, but when I shut the tailgate like that, there you go. So that's reverse light feed on a 2007 Mark 5 Golf.